Did you comment yesterday's video? Remember, giveaway is on. Giveaway is on. So if you didn't, you can comment this one. So let's go on for day 15. Oh yeah, it's a small one, but I love this company. It's from Clé de Peau, UV Protective Cream, SPF 50+, and it's only 8 milliliters, 0.29 ounces. Looks like this. They are expensive, but this was really small. You can try it once. So this is from Cult Beauty, and this is the third product from Medicate. And this is a C Tetra Advanced 20% Vitamin C Gel Serum, Brighten and Age Defense with Phyto Exosomes. Love that. Like the packaging, because it's vitamin C, it needs to be in a dark and closed container like this. And it's 30 ml, yeah, one fluid ounces. So then SpaceNK all the way in the back. Wow, 3 products actually. So the first one is from Evlom Rescue Mask. So it's this one. And then we have from Paula's Choice. Oh, I love this one. This is the Pro Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer with 3 peptides. So this is great. You know, I love my peptides also. I love my retinol and I love my peptides. This is the one with 3 peptides. They also have one with 6 peptides. But this is also really good. And it's collagen. Gel cream plumps and restores bounce. I think I told you yesterday that I'm getting a gift from Paula's Choice. It's actually a gift that I could choose the products. So I'm getting 3 different products from them, and I will use them and we will have a video about them, because I love Paula's Choice, one of my favorites when it comes to skincare. And then from Ole Henriksen, this is Banana Bright Plus Eye Cream. It's a cold complex vitamin C and banana powder inspired pigments. Brightening eye cream. Looks like this. And it's 15 milliliter or 0.5 fluid ounces. So it looks huge in this packaging, but it's this one. It's filling up here now. I have to get room for more. So that was day 15. Remember to comment below. And I'll see you again tomorrow. See you.